All right, we're out here working on a liner for this sewer. We got a manhole over there. That's the open one. We got a manhole coming from here, coming down all the way to there. And here's the liner sticking out. This liner right now is inflated, pressurized inside this pipe, which runs all the way there. So instead of digging down all the way there to replace this pipe is basically a clay pipe every 50 centimeters, root intrusion, totally breaking. Show you the video inside. So we're putting in an epoxy impregnated felt liner to restore the life of the pipe, give it another few decades. It's cold outside, 10 degrees. I'm dropping down fast now. So it's not really an ambient cure. I do have a heating coil here, so it's gonna slow her down speed up the time a little bit. So I'll take it out, cut it up, send the camera in, and see how it went. Oh my, it's hail! It's hailing! Oh man. Trying to get a liner in the ground, trying to protect our tools. There it is right there. It's the end of March, man. What's going on this year? Now, as you can see here, there's no epoxy. That's flexible, okay? And then that's a different sound. That's already hard as a rock. That's what you want to be hearing. Once it's like that, you know we're good to go. I'm not using my GoPro, I'm using my camera. So we're gonna take out the air over here and get started. All right, now that we depressurized, this part's gonna collapse because there's no epoxy here, but that part's not. You see that? This part's totally collapsed, but this part, nice and hard.